Hello and welcome to that very short video. In this small video, I like to show you what is Identity Manager on Demand, how to get it, and how to access to it. So what we have to do in the first step is, of course, to create an account in Starling or in cloud1identity.com, just to allow us to open at the end one of our products. For that, I start at the web page. This is the started web page of OneIdentity, www.oneidentity.com. From there, I just look into products, and in products, there I can find the Identity Manager on Demand, Starling Edition. This is exactly what I like to configure, and here I start. Doing so, I will just see the page cloud.oneidentity.com, and on that very specific web page I can start to create my account. Therefore, I click on Try, and here I can directly start trying Starling. So, and as you easily can see, this is where I can get started. And the first choice that I have to figure out here is, where is my location? And I will just say my data center is near Europe. I'm living in Germany, so Europe is exactly my choice. If you live somewhere else, where, for example, the United States data center is more near to you, then the other choice around will be. Of course, there are some hints that explain exactly where you are. For me, it's easy, European Union. So now I have to see this Getting Started screen. On the Getting Started screen, there's a lot of private policy and GDPR and all of these informations. I will not all start of them. You can read them on your own. That explains you very exactly that we don't store your personal data, yada, yada, yada. Clicking on Accept, I get started here. And now I have to enter an email address. I will, of course, use an email address. So, and with that address, I can directly register. First, I have to create an account. Therefore, I have to select my location again. It is typically pre-filled from my first selection. You see an organizational name. This is something to enter which is not registered yet at OneIdentity. I'm using OneIdentity Technical Enablement here, as you easily can see. My name, of course, I have to create a password, and I have to enter my phone number. After accepting all the terms of use, I can directly start. So the account is created yet. What I can do here is I can directly sign into Starling. Therefore, I just click on Sign into Starling. And here's my email address. There is where I am. And with Next, I will then enter my password. And entering the password, of course, I get now my access to Starling. Upcoming scheduled maintenance is just an information for me that shows me when the next maintenance schedule will happen. And the first thing what's to do is, of course, to verify my email address. Therefore, I have to open my email account. On my email account, I can here see the email from Starling. And what's to do here is to complete the registration by clicking on the URL. And once that is done, I am on the start page.